How disciplined spending creates long-term freedom and early retirement. Imagine waking up one morning without the pressure of an alarm clock, no rush hour traffic, no constant stress about bills piling up, no fear of losing your job. Instead, you wake up with freedom. Freedom to choose how you spend your time, freedom to pursue your passions, and freedom to live life on your own terms. Many people believe this lifestyle is only possible for the extremely wealthy or lucky few. But the truth is, financial freedom and early retirement are not just about how much money you make. They are about how wisely you spend what you earn. Today, we're going to talk about the powerful, life-changing concept of disciplined spending and how it can unlock long-term freedom and early retirement. The illusion of high income. In today's world, society often teaches us that success means earning more money. We chase promotions, higher salaries, and bigger opportunities. While increasing income is important, it is only half of the equation. There are countless examples of people earning six-figure incomes who are still drowning in debt. They drive expensive cars, live in large houses, and constantly upgrade their lifestyle. On the outside, they appear successful, but behind the scenes, they are trapped in financial pressure, living paycheck to paycheck. Why does this happen? Because income alone does not create wealth. Spending habits determine financial destiny. Disciplined spending means understanding the difference between what you need and what you simply desire. It means learning to control your money rather than allowing your money to control you. The power of living below your means. One of the most powerful principles of disciplined spending is living below your means. This does not mean living a miserable or restricted life. It means making intentional choices that prioritize long-term freedom over short-term pleasure. When you live below your means, you create a gap between your income and your expenses. That gap becomes your most powerful financial tool. It becomes savings, investments, and future security. Every dollar you save today is a worker that can build your future tomorrow. Think of your money as seeds. If you eat every seed today, you enjoy temporary satisfaction, but if you plant those seeds, they grow into trees that produce fruit for years to come. Discipline creates freedom, not restriction. Many people misunderstand discipline. They think discipline means sacrifice, limitation, or suffering. But true discipline is not about restriction, it is about creating choices. When you spend without discipline, you may enjoy temporary excitement, but you also create long-term obligations. Debt, loans, and financial stress limit your options. But disciplined spending does something powerful. It removes chains. It allows you to leave a toxic job without fear, to spend more time with family, to travel without financial anxiety, to start a business or pursue a passion, to retire earlier than most people. Discipline today creates freedom tomorrow. The entirement of instant gratification. We live in a world designed to encourage instant gratification. Advertisements constantly tell us we deserve more. Social media shows us images of luxurious lifestyles. Online shopping allows us to buy anything within seconds. But here's the hidden danger. Instant gratification often steals long-term happiness. Every unnecessary purchase delays your financial independence. Every impulse buy adds weight to your future burden. Disciplined spenders learn to pause. They ask powerful questions before buying. Do I truly need this? Will this improve my life long term? Is this worth delaying my freedom? This simple pause creates powerful financial transformation. The magic of compounding. Disciplined spending creates one of the greatest financial miracles in the world, compound growth. When you consistently save and invest money, your money begins to earn money. Over time, those earnings also earn money. This creates exponential growth. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. For example, Someone who saves and invests consistently in their 20s may accumulate more wealth than someone who starts in their 40s, even if the second person earns a higher income. Time rewards discipline. Time punishes delay. Redefining success. Society often defines success through visible wealth, luxury cars, designer clothing, expensive homes. But true success is invisible. True success is having no debt, having financial security, having the freedom to choose how you spend your time, having peace of mind. Disciplined spending shifts your focus from looking wealthy to being wealthy. It teaches you that real wealth is not about impressing others, it's about building a life that gives you independence and control. Small habits, massive results. Early retirement does not happen through one big decision, it happens through thousands of small choices. Choosing to cook at home instead of eating out frequently. Choosing to buy reliable transportation instead of luxury vehicles. Choosing to save raises instead of increasing lifestyle spending. Choosing to invest consistently even when the amount feels small. These small habits may seem insignificant in the moment, but over years they create extraordinary results. Success is not built in dramatic moments, it's built through daily discipline. Emotional strength behind financial discipline. Disciplined spending is not only about numbers, it's about mindset and emotional strength. It requires patience in a world that promotes urgency. It requires confidence when others spend to impress. It requires vision to focus on a future others cannot see. Many people spend money to seek approval, status, or temporary happiness. Disciplined individuals spend money aligned with their values and long-term goals. They understand that financial freedom is not just about money, it's about self-control, clarity, and purpose. Early retirement is about choice, not age. Early retirement does not always mean stopping work completely. It means gaining the freedom to decide how, when, and if you work. Some people retire early to travel. Some pursue creative passions. Some dedicate time to family. Some start businesses or charities. Disciplined spending allows you to design your life intentionally rather than living under financial pressure. It transforms work from obligation into choice. Overcoming common obstacles. Many people believe disciplined spending is impossible because of limited income or rising living costs. While challenges are real, disciplined spending is not about perfection, it's about consistency. Start small. Track your expenses. Identify unnecessary spending. Set clear financial goals. Automate savings and investments. Progress, not perfection, creates results. The long-term vision. Imagine yourself 20 or 30 years from now. Imagine living without financial stress. Imagine having the time to focus on health, relationships, and personal growth. That future is built by the choices you make today. Every purchase is not just spending money, it's choosing between present comfort and future freedom. Disciplined spenders do not deny themselves joy, they simply choose joy that lasts longer. The legacy of financial freedom. When you practice disciplined spending, you do more than improve your own life, you create a legacy. You become a role model for your children, family, and community. You teach future generations that true success comes from wise choices, patience, and responsibility. Financial discipline creates stability not just for one lifetime, but for generations. Final message. Freedom is one of the greatest desires of the human spirit. Freedom to live without fear, freedom to follow dreams, freedom to create a meaningful life. Disciplined spending is not about limiting life, it's about expanding possibilities. It's about choosing long-term happiness over short-term excitement. Every dollar you control brings you closer to independence. Every wise decision builds a stronger future. Every disciplined habit moves you toward early retirement and lasting freedom. The journey to financial freedom does not begin with earning more. It begins with spending wisely. Start today. Start small. Stay consistent. Your future self will thank you for the discipline you choose right now.